All right, this is you.
Okay.
So put your hand in here. Emily. You be Wolfy.
Whatever color you want.
Hi, Henry.
Which colors you
Hello, Wolfie.
What color do you like?
Oh, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking.
Thank you.
Do you like coming to the library?
Yeah?
Yeah, you have to show
What
the colors for sure.
is your favorite food?
Yes. Banana.
A banana? You like bananas?
Yeah.
I didn't know you liked bananas. Yeah, I'm surprised. Do you also like to eat pizza?
I don't you do that.
No, you don't like pizza. You like bananas. Do you think you're a monkey?
No.
Okay.
That is pizza.
What? Get out of here. All right. Well, hello, everybody. Can you say hello? Wolfie, say welcome to Storytime.
Welcome to Storytime.
Today we're going to. Today is Ojibwe word of the day. What should be the Ojibwe word of the day, Wolfie?
I know.
Wolf.
Her favorite colors are pink and
Today's Ojibwe word is ma'ingan.
Oh.
Can you say ma'ingan?
My England.
Perfect. Ma'ingan.
My
Wolf.
England.
It's
Wow.
very interesting to watch.
Now we're going to say, I will see you again.
I see you again.
Giga,
Dida.
waba,
Baba.
min.
Min.
Giga, waba, min.
Dida. Min.
Perfect. Give me a high five.
Yeah, but they're older.
Hey, don't bite my hand. Oh, brother. BOOZHOO, welcome back to the show.
Okay.
Michael Lyons on the guitar. Oh, is this the Counting Crows? Or Counting Crows, whatever they call it.
Yeah, I think it's counting crows.
Long December, well, there's reason to believe maybe this year will be better than the last. I can't remember the last thing that she said as she was leaving. Now the days go by so fast, and it's one more day up in the canyon. And it's one more night in Hollywood. And if you think that I could be forgiven, I wish you would. Na 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 hey. And the smell of hospitals in winter, and the feeling that it's all a lot of oyster and no pearl. But all at once you look across the crowded room to see the way light attaches to a girl. And it's one more day up in the canyon, and it's one more night in Hollywood. If you think that I could be forgiven, I wish you would. Na 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 yeah. Drove up to Hillside Manor sometime after 2 a.m. and talked a little while about the year. I guess the winter makes you laugh a little slower and makes you talk a little lower about the things you couldn't show. And it's been a long December, and there's reason to believe maybe this year will be better than the last. I can't remember the last thing that she said as she was leaving. Now the days go by so fast. Well, it's one more day up in the canyon, and it's one more night in Hollywood. you very much.
It's empty. What is this? It's empty. It's empty.
He's like, oh, pew, potty time.